All right, well, Sunday, Mother's Day, May 8th, and today, lifestyle expert Sarah Gunn joins us with ideas on how to spoil mom using mom's own love language. Hi, Sarah, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. I love the idea of using love languages, and I think many of us have sort of referenced that material or read the book, and to really know, I mean, it's such good insight to know how somebody loves you so that you can love them back that same way.
Exactly. And sometimes people have different love languages. So
Right.
if you find out mom's, then you can target that and give her a gift that really speaks to her, right?
Yes, exactly. And so you have all the different ideas of gifts geared along the love languages today.
Yeah, for sure. So the first one is quality time. So moms in this category just love doing things together with the entire family, right?
Yes.
So gift an experience, a day trip, or what the kids gave me last year, which I loved, was a provincial park pass. And not only did we have a great time on that day, but it's something that we've been able to use all year. So we're creating more and more memories, which is so much fun.
Right, the gift that keeps giving. So that's a good one. I like that. Yeah, good idea.
So next up, I've got physical touch. So these moms just love a snuggle, right? So I have this mom collection behind me here of tees and sweatshirts, the traditional mama, and then one for moms with a sense of humor that says, if you can see it there, not the worst mom.
Oh.
Or just one that just says love.
Just to qualify.
These are from Gunn & Co. Yeah, these are from my company, Gunn & Co. And you know what? When mom's wearing those, she's snuggled up with thoughts of you because you gave it to her, right? So it's kind of cute.
Yeah, no, that's a really nice idea. I love that. And it's never, you're never too old or young to snuggle, right?
Never.
Right.
I hope my kids are watching.
Especially
Never.
with your mom. Always snuggle with your mom. Even if you're in grade 8 and you're dropping them off at school, give us a hug. Right?
I agree with you so much. Yes, I feel that deeply.
Okay, and next?
Okay, so next I've got acts of service. So you might be seeing cleaning products on here and wondering, am I suggesting that we give mom cleaning products for Mother's Day? I am not, okay? But moms in this category really appreciate gifts that make their life easier. So put together your favorite cleaning products. I've got my favorites here from Libman, like their microfiber cloths. Put it in a caddy, carry it around the house, send mom out for the day, and clean the house from top to bottom. I mean, that sounds like a dream to me.
That is a dream gift, yes, because I feel like cleaning, you could literally clean your house every day. There's always dust and fingerprints, and so someone else steps in for a day, that's lovely. So good idea. I like that.
Magic.
Yes.
Yeah. So the next category is called receiving gifts, and that might seem really obvious, but it's actually not. It's not about the price of the gift. It's about the thoughtfulness that's put into it. So think about mom's interest. So if she's crafty like I am, I love a good craft, she would probably love a Cricut. This is the Cricut Maker 3. It's a machine that allows you to create so many crafts and beautiful projects for your home. Or if she already has something like that, put together a basket of all the accessories that you need, like the really fun, colorful vinyls or smaller papers or the tools. And you can grab all that at Staples, and it really shows mom that you're paying attention to her. If she's more of a spa goer, I love to support local on these segments. So there's a new spa that opened here in Oakville called North Medical Spa. It is the prettiest place. So if mom loves to be pampered, book her for a facial. Or you can go and just pick up a bunch of serums or face masks and give those to her too.
That's generally what I do for my mom. It's that kind of gift.
Nice.
And lastly, before we run, you have words of affirmation.
I do. So moms in this category love to feel appreciated. They love to hear words of encouragement. So, you know, I've got these from when my kids were little. At some point, schools stop sending home things like this, you know, little sweet notes from your kids. But moms never stop wanting them. So I promise you, no matter how old you are, if you sat down, the kids made this one for me last year. If you sit down and write your mother a note telling her how much you appreciate her, she will cherish it.
Right. It's that simple. You can write it on anything at any age, again, as you say, and it's very much appreciated. So Sarah Gunn, thank you for coming on the show. Really good ideas using the 5 love languages for Mother's Day. Thank you. All right. That's it for now. We'll be right back.